Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So if you can see behind me, my bedroom is tore up. And it is flylady zone 4, which is master bedroom, master bathroom. And I had not intended to do flylady because my time is so short these days. However, ma'am got really sick this morning and she had an accident under my bed. So we ended up having to pull the mattress off so that we could clean up real quick so that I wouldn't be late for work this morning. And then I said, just leave it. I'll put everything back when I get home. And while we have the bed off, we're just going to do a little bit of a flylady spruce up and just kind of tackle anything that needs to be dusted. I'm going to tackle this area up here, and then of course behind me where my chair is, that's just all the bedding and stuff. But then also on top of that dresser, I'm going to clean and do some things there. And I'm going to go into my closet and I'm trying to declutter for 15 minutes. Just throw away some things that I know I'm not using and just try to do a little better in this space. And so we just thought, hey, we're doing it. We may as well bring you guys along with us as we work on this area. So we're not doing the whole week. I'm going to do something very quickly in here, and then I'm going to pop into my bathroom and make sure that I get that clean because it just needs a little bit of attention. So we're going to do that as well. We're going to probably give this room about 30 to 45 minutes, but that's going to be all because it's all the time we have. It's a Monday, and Monday's the only day that I don't have somewhere else to be. I'm just getting off work, so no lipstick, and I didn't decide to go put any on for the purposes of this video. Anywho, yes, I'm going to clean in my clothes that I just got off work in because I don't want time to change clothes because I have biscuits in the oven and I have my ladies meeting at 9. So we are going to get things moving right along. So we are done with the bedroom. It looks great. We didn't change any decor or anything. It was just a clean where we had not dusted and swept with, you know, we had the dog crate in here. So she shed, so we just got a lot of the dog hair. We actually ended up vacuuming twice. And yes, lovely.
You
Yeah, I do. And then spray. Yes, please. Jackson is working in the bathroom, and Mom just came out here for 1 second. So I have a basket in my bathroom that has feminine items, and then Alana has a basket in her bathroom, which is the guest bath, that has feminine items. But Mom does not use feminine items anymore. TMI probably. So I'm going to take my basket and make it one with her basket, and then I'm going to just put toilet paper in my basket, because I'm always having to holler, you know, why is there no toilet paper in here? I don't want to do that anymore. So I'm just going to keep extra toilet paper in my basket that is going to be in my bathroom, because out of everything, that's probably what I will need. I will keep these like sanitary wipes, these like wet wipey things. I'll keep those in there, and these always things on the go, because that anybody can use, you know, anybody can use that. But as far as these sanitary items, which I do not use, we're going to bring some order to these baskets and really just cull down some of the things that we don't use. Now, I do use these liners, so I'll keep these, but I don't use some of the other items. So we'll just get this all squared away and put toilet paper in these. Alana, you want to come? Oh, there's some like this spray, which is helpful. I mean, that's good. You want to help me get, like, let me move some of these over. Okay, move all those out.
What are, okay.
I want to get all of the tampons in, and then we'll put the rest of the regular stuff.
Come on, nobody uses tampons.
Well, okay, then we can bag them up and put them. We'll see if anybody needs them. We can. Yes.
Trina uses them, right?
She does, but I don't think she'll need this many.
Probably. And look, Mom, here's your bar of snow.
Well, let's just keep a couple. We'll keep a couple, like a couple of these, right? So some of the super pluses.
Some of the just supers.
Some of the supers. And then we'll keep some of these
you have some
yellow ones and some regulars. And then the rest of these, if we can get a bag, we'll just bag them. And then we'll just see, you know. Yes.
When you go shopping next time, Wednesday, and there's something you need to get.
What do we need? What do we need? Okay, you guys, so Fly Lady Zone 4 Master Bedroom is a wrap. Again, we did not do the full 7 days, everything, because my time won't allow for that. Monday nights is the only night. I don't have somewhere else to be after work every other night. I have something. Doesn't mean I'm out late, but I'm out pretty late. So, anywho, we got the bed put back together, but I did go behind the bed and we made sure that we did all of the baseboards down there, because Ma'am sleeps under the bed, and so there's just she sheds crazy. And so we got all the clothes and the stuff that was here. We cleaned off the dresser, threw away a couple of things. We put all the clothes that we could fit in the drawers. We also moved her crate out, and we did baseboards and window sills. We went into Mom's closet, and I've got to get way more hangers than what I have. And I'm actually going to have Handy Mandy come in and rework my closet for me once the springtime comes. So I'm actually going to have her move this rack up higher so that most of my hanging dresses will be higher. And then we'll put a shorter rack where I can put my shirts and pants and skirts and things. Because these racks are just not doing anything for me. So we're going to just rework the closet, and I might actually get something that doesn't have these bars so we don't lose all of that space in there. So I've got some clothes here and some here, but I don't have any more hangers. And that's just kind of the way it is right now. I'm living with all of the things, you know, I'm out of hangers. Well, is there a couple hangers? Hey, there's a couple hangers here, so I might be able, and one. So I might be able to hang the rest of those few little pieces. But, anywho, I decluttered some things that were here. I do still need to go through this basket, threw away all of the things that I was not using there. And then I'm going to put all my shades and things like that here. And so we just did a little bit there. And then in the bathroom, we have the rugs are in the machine. So we just came through here and cleaned the tub, cleaned the shower, did everything that needed doing, wiped down, you know, all the things. So it was a quick wipe down. It wasn't like 100% or, you know, as in deep as some people will go for their Fly Lady. But for me, it just helped me to clean up after Ma'am, because, you know, she had an accident this morning. And she does not do that. So we knew something was wrong with her stomach. So because of that, it gave me an opportunity to just get some things done. But anyway, there it is. Fly Lady Zone number 4. Head over to Sophia's channel if you haven't been over. She has a full and complete playlist. She's been doing Fly Lady for the whole month of February. I could not get it in for the whole month of February, but I'm happy to jump in where I can. And so this a wrap, y'all. We done. We out here. We done. Now it's time to go eat and get ready for my ladies meeting. I've got some videos to edit. But we out here, y'all. So thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you like our video, thumb it up. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the little bell. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.